Hello and welcome to this short tutorial about setting up the recently released Liveblocks plugin for Bubble. I'm Lola and I run Lunch Pail Labs, where I build third-party apps and integrations for your favorite SaaS tools. A little bit about both tools. So Liveblocks is a platform that allows users to add collaborative features to their products, such as comments, notifications, and real-time APIs. Bubble is a no-code platform for building web apps, and the free Liveblocks plugin implements a small slice of what is possible within the whole Liveblocks setup. And in this video, we'll go over creating a new app in Bubble, installing the Liveblocks plugin from the marketplace, and setting it up with your keys and all of that great stuff. So with all of that said, let's get into it. Before we get started, you'll want to make sure that you've signed up for a Bubble account and a Liveblocks account. We'll also go through the setup of creating new projects and things. So first step here, I am signed into Bubble. You'll want to create a new app. So click this button over here. We can name our app something like, I'll just say Demo LPL. You can name your app whatever you desire. Click Get Started. We're gonna just start with the basic features. We won't need any upgraded features for the purpose of setting it up. And we'll also skip the application assistant. And first things first here is we're gonna head to the plugins tab. So it's gonna be this connector here. We're gonna select add plugins and we're gonna search for Liveblocks. So this Liveblocks, we're going to click install. Great. And that's pretty much what you need for installing. Next up, we'll go to Liveblocks and create our project because we need our secret keys. So it knows like what plugin, what user, what Liveblocks account to kind of pull information for them. So if you haven't signed up for Liveblocks, make sure you have already done so. You can go to the dashboard here. And we'll set up a new project. If you're new, you probably won't have any projects, but we can create a project. We can call it Demo Project. And since this is to test to start, we're just going to create a development environment. When you're ready to deploy your project live, then you may want to use a production environment. And then here we'll go to the API keys tab. We want our secret key. So on screen, I'm going to reveal my key, but in real life, you'll want to keep these secret because if someone gets a hold of your key, they can make charges on your account for Liveblocks. So definitely don't want to expose that. I'm going to roll it after this tutorial, so there will be no risk. And then we're going to plop the key into the Dev tab. And if we wanted to deploy, we'd put the key here in the Production tab. First, create a production project and then put the key there. And that is it for setting up the plugin. Those are all the steps you need to do to create an app, set up the plugin. You now have it all installed and ready to go. So in subsequent tutorials, we'll get to do some more interesting stuff, work with the presence element, maybe build some live cursors. But for now, this is all you need.